In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to autoplay background music on your Wix website. Adding background music can create a more immersive and engaging experience for your visitors, whether you're setting the mood for a personal blog, showcasing your creative work, or creating a unique vibe for your business website. In this tutorial, we'll go step by step. So even if you're new to Wix, you'll be able to add this feature with ease. By the end of this video, your site will have music playing seamlessly in the background, giving it that extra professional or personal touch. Let's get started. First things first, log in to your Wix account if you haven't already. Once you're logged in, navigate to My Site to access the Wix website editor. This is where all the magic happens. If you have multiple websites under your account, make sure to select the one where you want to add the background music. Once you're in the editor, you'll notice the toolbar on the left-hand side of the screen. This is your go-to panel for adding and customizing elements on your website. Next, click on the plus icon in the toolbar. This will open up the Elements menu, which contains all the features you can add to your site. From here, scroll down and select the Video and Music category. This is where Wix keeps all the tools you'll need for embedding videos and audio files into your site. Once you click on it, you'll see several options appear. Now, within the Video and Music section, click on Audio Players. This will bring up a variety of templates for audio players that you can add to your page. These templates are pre-designed, so you can easily find one that matches the look and feel of your website. Take a moment to browse through the options and choose an audio player template that complements your design. Once you've found one you like, click on it to add it to your page. Once your audio player is on the page, it's time to customize it with your own music. Click on the audio player and then select the Change Track button. This is where you'll upload the music file you want to use for your website. To do this, click on Upload Track and select the file from your computer. Keep in mind that Wix supports specific audio formats like MP3, so make sure your file is compatible before uploading. After your track has been uploaded, you'll see an option to enable Play and Loop. Make sure this setting is turned on. This will ensure that the music plays continuously in the background without stopping once the track reaches the end. It's a great way to keep the music flowing seamlessly for your visitors. Before finalizing everything, it's always a good idea to preview your site. Click on the Preview button in the top right corner of the editor to see how the music plays on your website. Check if the track starts playing automatically and loops as intended. This is your chance to make any adjustments if needed. Finally, once you're happy with how everything looks and sounds, it's time to make your changes live. Click on the Publish button at the top of the editor. This will update your website with a new background music feature, and visitors to your site will now experience the added ambiance as soon as they land on your page. And there you have it. Now you know how to autoplay background music on your Wix website. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.